So my name's Christine White. I'm an accountant and I work in the education sector. I've been doing that for 16 years, yeah.
My name's Geoff White. I'm a panel beater by trade. I've been in the industry for about 35 to 36 years or so, yeah.
So our financial situation was we were like a couple who came together later in life who had separated finances and so forth that were really rebuilding again. And so we had quite a large mortgage, quite an extreme mortgage probably, and we were really trying to find a way that we could get that under control and plan for a future that was going to give us some options and choices in life. So it was a little stressful, trying to figure out how do we achieve that. And as an accountant, you would think I'd know how to do that, but when it comes to your personal finances, it's not something that I was really, I think, skilled at.
Well, we thought we had it down pat. We were barefoot investors.
That's true.
We had accounts on accounts on accounts.
Yep.
We had a little bit of money scattered here, there, and everywhere.
Yep. But we didn't know how to make it work for us.
No. Yeah, money wasn't working for us.
Not at all.
No.
So we thought we would end up having to sell our house and then downsize into something, far, I don't know, definitely not as nice as what we currently live in, take equity out and, maybe use some of our super to pay out our mortgage maybe. We really didn't know. We didn't know what was ahead. So that uncertainty was really quite uncomfortable.
Correct.
Yeah, like we had, combined a really good income, but we weren't using it to the best ability that we could have. We spent a lot of what we had. Geoff had an accident 6 years ago. It was a life-threatening accident. He actually died a couple of times as part of that process, didn't you?
Yeah, I did. Yeah, it was a motorbike accident. Yeah.
And that kind of our outlook changed into you never know when your number's up. So
we were living life as, it could be our last day type thing. Yeah.
Yeah, so money just went, didn't it?
It was just going, yeah.
So it was nothing to, turn up to a shop and, drop a couple of $1,000s on some stuff that we actually didn't even need. We had all the toys as well, motorbikes and boat and caravan, and it was all, part of living, this thing that we thought we had to live. But it definitely wasn't working for us. We had a simple goal.
Pay the mortgage off. Yes, be mortgage free.
That was pretty much it.
That was it, yeah.
And we did that in 15 months, and now our goals are totally different. Yeah. So it was an ad that came up in my socials, and I saw this guy who was, quite real and natural and a bit different from anyone else I'd seen. You see the general salesy people who are really super polished and a bit salesy and that sort of thing, but Graham just came across really natural, down to earth and real. And we were trying to find a solution to get us ahead. So I watched the Tuesday night webinar, and before it finished, I actually signed up, paid the money to do the masterclass, and then stepped out into the lounge room.
That's seen me.
Yeah, and said, I just kind of signed us up for a weekend.
And I said, what have you done?
How much did that cost? And that's one thing. Look, if we burn a little bit of money to learn something, that's okay.
Yeah.
So we did, didn't we?
Yeah.
And then how far in did we get?
By 10:30 Saturday morning, was like wiping my hands. I don't care how much this costs. On the Sunday afternoon, we're in. We're paying it.
And then we had our fingers crossed.
We're joining this family,
didn't we? We thought, gosh, I hope we get selected. I hope our situation is something that is workable, that could help us. And we were jumping around when we got the email. So I've always been the spender. You always have been
I was the saver. Yes.
But as soon as you were on board, you really drove a lot of it.
Yeah, yeah.
The biggest thing that we've learned would be you need to have a plan and you need to have goals and you need to be really clear about them. Otherwise, you're just aimlessly meandering through life and you'll never achieve anything. As soon as we had a plan and the right people to help guide us, we've achieved things that we never thought were possible ever, and more. So it would be having a plan and having the right people around you who know what they're doing to guide you. Absolutely. So a team of people that got us set up, told us exactly what we needed to do, gave us the structure and the plan, and then it was something that was digestible and simple, so it wasn't too complicated. All we needed to do was stick to a weekly budget and make sure that we had everything else coming out of the right bank accounts, and things just flowed, things just happened.
Yeah.
We were also told, or suggested it was, in terms of getting rid of our toys and so forth to get that cash back out and put it onto the mortgage. So honestly, there's guidance all the way through, and it's a very simple process.
Just the way G put it, it was, so real. Like selling the toys, like that was a hard thing for me to do, very hard. We had 2 Harleys, we had a boat, we had a caravan, I had a little XR5 turbo, and selling each one of them, it was hard, but then watching the money go onto the mortgage and smashing that mortgage down, that was the easy part, and that's what kept driving you. And it was something. It was.
There was something like it was almost our intuition. G was very easy to build a level of trust with.
Yeah.
Because he is so natural and real, and we connected with him. The trust was there. Yeah. It was just a very easy, trusting relationship to build. It was very emotional, wasn't it?
It's still not real, really. It's only happened last Thursday. It's from 570 down to nothing in 15 months. It's like unbelievable. We can't believe that we've done that, and it's amazing.
It is amazing. It was very emotional. It was a huge relief. The pressure is off, and we have so many doors that have opened for us.
It's just opened up our world.
Things have rolled forward much faster, haven't they?
100%. We didn't think we would like to move up to Queensland, be closer to Chris's family. We thought that was possible for us, a minimum of 5 years, maybe more. Now it's reality very, very soon. Like,
in a couple of months, maybe.
Yeah. So, it's amazing. Totally grateful. Yep. Totally grateful. Overwhelming.
Someone said this was going to be therapy. Honestly, it really is overwhelming. Our life has changed so much. Our future is going to be something totally different.
Totally. Just trust it. Trust the family, trust G. He is one amazing person. Yeah. The whole family are amazing.
The whole team.
Yeah.
It's give it a go.
There's no system like this. There's no place like this that does this for you. there's no one there out there that will back you up like this family does. Like,
It is honestly a very simple process. The risk is so low. The team looks after you. The information is there. The support is there. It's have a go. Get on the webinar. Have a listen to the information, and then see what happens. See how you resonate with that.